Hi everyone, welcome to our talk. Lucas.
Thanks for having me.
Today, we're talking about healthy routines.
Let's jump in.
I heard you're trying to improve your lifestyle.
Yeah, I started a few weeks ago.
What made you start?
I was tired of feeling tired.
Did you change breakfast first?
Yes, I stopped skipping it.
What do you eat now?
Something simple but healthy.
Like what? For example?
Oatmeal, yogurt, and fruit sometimes.
That sounds good.
It keeps me full longer.
Are you doing any exercise?
I started walking daily.
Walking is a great start.
And it's not intimidating.
How many steps do you aim for?
Around 8,001 OK if possible.
That's impressive.
My legs complain, but they adjust.
Did you fix your sleep, too?
I'm trying to sleep earlier.
That part is hard.
Harder than I expected.
Do you drink more water now?
Yes, I keep a bottle with me.
Does it help?
Less headaches and more energy.
Do you feel more awake now?
Mornings feel lighter.
That's a good sign.
I used to feel like a zombie.
Do you miss your old lifestyle?
Sometimes comfort is tempting,
Change takes time.
but it's worth trying.
What motivates you the most?
I want a healthier future.
That's a strong reason.
Long-term health matters.
Do you allow treat days?
Every Sunday I treat myself.
What do you pick?
Usually ice cream or fries.
Do you cook more now?
Sometimes simple meals only.
Cooking is useful.
Plus it saves money.
Do you reduce screen time at night?
Trying to, but it's tough.
Phones are addictive.
They steal ours easily.
Has your mood improved?
Yes, I feel more stable.
That's important.
Mental health matters too.
Is someone doing this with you?
Yeah, a friend joined me.
That's helpful.
Accountability keeps me going.
What's been the hardest part?
Waking up early without complaining.
Mornings are brutal.
My alarm hates me.
Best result so far?
Better mornings, more energy.
That's amazing.
I didn't expect that.
How long have you been doing this?
Around 6 weeks now.
That's consistent.
Feels good to stick to something.
Do you plan to keep going?
Yes, I want it to become normal.
Healthy habits take time.
But they stick eventually.
Any final message about healthy routines?
Start small and be patient.
Simple, but true.
Future you will be thankful.